Whilst many across Britain are enjoying Christmas and New Year, our teams will be working around the clock to improve your railway. This festive season we are concentrating on more tightly focused projects to improve your future journeys. Here are just a few we are working on over Christmas and New Year. Significant works at London's King's Cross involve replacing infrastructure installed in the 1970s with modern equipment. This will improve track and signalling on this key route into London to enable more services in the future and boost connectivity between London, the North and Scotland. We'll be remodelling Bristol East Junction, including installing new points and new trackside control units. This work will prepare for the full remodelling of the junction that starts next summer. We'll also be renovating and repairing the roof at Bristol Temple Mead Station. This will improve the passenger experience at the station, make it structurally safer and preserve the Grade 1 listed building for future generations. Engineers will renew sections of track and upgrade switches and crossings for more reliable passenger journeys at Nine Elms Junction, between Clapham Junction and Waterloo. There will also be re-signalling works, vegetation clearance and track and bridge inspections in the area. Overhead line works between London Liverpool Street and Chenfield will prepare for the introduction of Crossrail services. And we will be upgrading two key railway junctions between St John's and Lewisham to improve passenger safety and the journey experience. Some train services will be affected by these projects, so don't forget to check before you travel with National Rail Inquiries or your train operator. We will continue to carry out extensive cleaning regimes so you can travel with confidence. Find out more by visiting our website networkrail.co.uk/Christmas. And don't forget to follow our hashtag #ChristmasRailworks on Twitter for updates. We hope you have a wonderful Christmas and New Year.